Hi guys, you are now on step number 4 and you're cruising right along. Depending on where you're kind of sitting at, this might be day 1 for some of you, day 2 for some of you, and maybe day 3. I'm hoping it's not day 4 because you should be doing about 2 steps a day, roughly, depending on, the give and take of the day. So step 4, you just got done kind of watching a video, and that video talked about making a plan, okay? And that whole plan, if you notice here when you were watching the video, had your opinion, which was your I believe statement. That's your opinion, I believe, or I think, or I feel, or many people think, or I think, whatever it was right here. That, and then the 4 reasons. They're giving 4 in this example. We only ask that you do 3 reasons, okay? And my example and my graphic organizer is your template. So this is making a plan. You are planning out your reasons here. You're doing your first step. So remember, you're looking at 3 different reasons. Reason 1, 2, and 3. I only want 3 reasons, and reasons tell why you believe something is the way it is. Now, if you notice again, like, I had it fill in what your opinion was, so you don't have to go back and guess what your opinion is. You already told me what that opinion is, and in this case, my opinion, ice cream is the best. Now you need 3 solid general reasons why you feel the way you feel. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at that. So when we are looking at those reasons, we're going to say, okay, so reason number 1. Why do I like ice cream? Okay, now I don't want to start naming Rocky Road right away because that's too specific. However, I could say ice cream is the best flavor because of flavors. Okay, so flavors make ice cream. There are many, and you're going to have to give me complete sentences. There are many flavors of ice cream. That's one reason why I think ice cream is the best. There are many flavors, okay? Now, I'm not going to tell you what flavors are right now. I'll wait for that. Okay, so I need another reason why I think ice cream is amazing. So the second reason I think ice cream is amazing is there are many toppings you can add to ice cream. Okay, now we'll talk about that in a little bit, but toppings in general. Toppings, lots of toppings. Now if I went and was very specific right away, hot fudge, I can't write a whole lot about hot fudge other than it's chocolatey and hot. But if I just say, because I know that hot fudge is a topping, now I can talk about all sorts of toppings when I go on to my next step. Okay, so general. Keep this general. It'll make it much easier to write about. And then, what makes ice cream awesome? There's lots of flavors, lots of toppings. I know there are many places you can buy ice cream. Like if I go to the convenience store, Walmart, Safeway, I can go many places. Just about every place that you can go probably sells ice cream. You can go to Walgreens and they sell ice cream too. So many places sell ice cream. You can buy ice cream in many places where you live. Okay, so these are my 3 reasons. Again, I'm using this as my plan because my 3 reasons are what I'm going to talk about. That's my plan, okay? And these are my reasons. So that's the body of your opinion. So, many flavors of ice cream, many toppings of ice cream, and many places to buy ice cream. Now I have a generalized plan as to what I'm going to talk about. How am I going to convince you that ice cream is good? That's my plan. I have 3 things. 3 things that I'm really going to talk long and strong about. Now, again, I really implore you to be very general on these reasons. Okay? You don't want to go specific. We'll talk about that in whole group so I can help guide you as a group. Be very general in your reasons because you want to go very deep. Once you start giving me, you have your reasons and then you have your examples. That'll happen next. Now your examples, you'll want to go detailed. But your reasons, you want to keep pretty broad, pretty general, kind of the gist. Okay? So, you have your opinion and you have your 3 general reasons. You have your big topic and then you have 3 reasons that you love or hate something. Mine, I'm trying to prove that I love it. I love ice cream. Junk food, I'm also a junk food person. I could have done junk food. I love junk food. Okay? But I'm choosing ice cream. I suppose you could consider ice cream junk food. Let me know. We will be working on the next step, see you in step 5, and I want to see those reasons. I want to start having my mind changed about thoughts. So please, get those reasons in there for me, and I will be visiting with you about your reasons. I'm looking forward to it. I love opinion papers, if you haven't said that before. All right, let's get going. I'll see you soon. Bye.